Hi family, I am back with another vlog, and this one is a different one because it's let's get the body back type of vlog. But yeah, before I get started, for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in. I really appreciate it. Um, will be supporting the channel. And for anyone who came across this page based on the title of gastric balloon and trying to lose weight, I appreciate you guys for popping in and hope that you stay subscribed and become part of the family. Thank you. So this vlog that you're about to see is basically a vlog of me traveling from Durban to Joburg in Midrand. Oh, it's Midrand Joburg. I don't know. I don't stay that side. Is Joburg Midrand? Don't come for me. I'm not sure. Um Basically I am going to get a gastric balloon inserted. And the main reason for that is because I have been struggling with postpartum weight. And also wasn't willing to do surgery like gastric sleeve or any of the other procedures that require surgery. I've tried gym. I'm still at gym. I've tried different diets, OMAD. Like there's many the soup diet. I've tried I've tried a lot of things, and I just got into a point where I really wasn't happy. I'm not happy with how I look, how I feel. I have a double chin. It doesn't show because I have mastered the art of angles, talking at a certain angle so that it's not visible, how I walk, how I sit, the certain clothes that I dress so that the situation is not visible. And a lot of people, when I talk about, oh my gosh, I'm heavy, like I'm 86. I don't look 86, trust me, believe me, I am 86. I'm 86 kgs and I'm not happy. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to be one of those people who just lets myself go after having a baby. And my child is 17 months old. She's a big girl. I mean, by now I should have trimmed some baby fats, and I'm still wearing XL and L cuts. I don't fit into a medium at all. Like, absolutely not. So just to give you a quick summary of what has been happening. So from Monday, today is Wednesday, from Monday I've been on a fluid diet. So I've been eating strictly soups, smoothies, and anything that is a fluid. I met with my dietitian and they gave me a plan of what to follow and what to do on the days leading to the insertion of the balloon. I also met with a psychologist because part and parcel of this whole journey and gaining weight, you also have to sit down and reflect. Is it just an issue of I'm gaining weight, or there are other psychological issues involved? So yes, I had to consult with psychiatrists. Very, very lovely doctor. Love her to bits. And basically, we went through all that. What my food triggers. When work stresses me, I stress eat. I eat a lot when I'm on the road, going to site. Junk food, basically. And they are bad habits. I will say this: they are very much bad habits. That's why I'm excited that I get to work with one of the best dietitian to assist me, Dr. Anne, to assist me with this whole journey, clean eating, what to eat, what not to eat, or what to avoid, what to replace, and I have a sweet tooth. I'm a foodie. So it's been tough since Monday. Monday I was weak. Like I was weak. I'm that type of person, like I'll be driving to work in the morning. I'm like, yo, I'm already hungry. I'll drive to McDonald's. I'll drive to the garage, whatever. Like that, the situation was like that. So Monday, when I couldn't go to McDonald's, there's one right by my workplace. Yo. Yeah, that was painful. And the cravings were hard. I was hungry, I was grumpy, I didn't have energy. I had the soup, but like my body, my stomach was just not, like, I ate the soup, but the body was just like, no girl, that's not why we eat. Where's the real food? Yeah. So I need to work on that. I need to work on the mind, the mind, have that self-control, not being impulsive with food, because I think I have an impulsive relationship with food. And that would explain why, in as much as I am at gym is not working, because like I'm going there, I'm working out, but I'm not watching what I put into my body. And that is why we are at 86 kgs. And yeah, like I said, I've mastered the art of hiding it. Like, the one thing I will literally say I don't like, but I hide it. Like, I have to speak this way. I hide it. I like almost take a deep breath so that it doesn't show. I have a double chin. Like, I don't know which angle it's showing. Camera is tracking my face, so it might not show. I don't know if it's showing. But yes, that is the situation. So today is Wednesday. My in-session is tomorrow. So today I'm not on a fluid diet. I'm on a clear liquid. Clear liquid means water, anything that you can see through. Water, tea, clean tea, rooibos, chamomile. No smoothie, no soup. Right now I could do with the soup, the way I'm hungry. I don't have energy. I've lost a lot of energy, but I'm gonna have some rehydrate. I'm feeling dehydrated. Been drinking a lot of water, but it's not feeling. I also noticed that my pee color changed, so I think I'm extremely dehydrated, like extremely dehydrated. I got this because, yeah, I mean, you can't afford to faint or be dizzy and whatnot. And yeah, let's see how this last day of clear liquids go. Tomorrow is the day of the procedure, as I said before, and tomorrow I can't have anything, not even water, not like nothing. Listen, my tummy has to be empty, like absolutely empty, for them to insert this balloon. But yes, my target weight is, I'm gonna be realistic, my target weight is 70. If we could do 70, I'll be happy. I'll be a happy vibe. Okay, so let's do this day. I'll see you guys when I am on my way to the airport, Kinshasa to Joburg to Midrand, and then I'm back. So come along with me on this journey, and I'm proud of myself for making a decision to take care of my health, look better, feel better, feel lighter, and obviously learn how to eat clean and healthy. Let me go because I've been drinking a lot of water to stay hydrated. Now I gotta pee. And the building is there. Okay? Bye. You know what? Before we go to Joburg, let us spend Wednesday together at work. Yeah? I got some takeaway deliveries. I bought baby bum cream. It's the best I've ever used. It's called Be Natural. I found it on Take A Lot. It's the best bum cream for the baby that I've ever used, and I've never had issues ever since I started using this. That's why I still go back and buy baby cream. It's a bit on the expensive part because I mean your regular bum creams at retail stores is like 50 rand, 80 rand, like to get a good one, but this is 200 and I think 220, somewhere there. I could be wrong, but it's 2 something for one. And yeah, I got 3 because it's the best. The reason why I got 3 is because if I was buying one, well, I wanted one, but when you buy one, I had to pay for delivery, which was 70 rand, or I could buy for 650 and get free delivery. So what I did, I got 3, and I just made it to 650, and I got free delivery. That means that I'm not going to buy this in the next. One is about, I'd say 2 months. So we're looking at 2 for 6 months. So it was good value for money, if I say so myself. Hi guys, I'm at the airport. I know I'm not eating, I'm not allowed to eat, but I'm still gonna go to the lounge anyway because I want to sit somewhere comfortable and I want to be doing some work since the whole day today I won't be in the office, so I want to catch up on work before I leave. So we're gonna go to the lounge and stare at the food. I'm outside and it smells so nice. Yo, the torture. Hello. In your body. As always. I love it. Yay, the food has improved. What? guys, I am now at Waterfall. I feel so tired. I feel drained. I just did a short walk from the plane. I'm thirsty, like I'm extremely thirsty. I feel dehydrated in a bad way. That could be the reason why I'm feeling exhausted. But yeah, my sister's picking me up and she'll take me to the clinic later because my appointment is 2:30. So yeah, let's go.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And I
don't know which one. It's also banana matumbu.
Oh, sorry. The name of the place. How are you? Oh, you're happy. It's 2:30. Come behind me. I have 2:30. Yeah, the way I'm thirsty, I was about to ask for water, I forgot. Still, what the hell? Oh, this is nice.
Gastric balloon.
Like they cut it?
No, you don't get cut. It's not a surgical procedure. Babanga using a small tiny camera. Babanga a balloon. My stomach size is this. So this thing is to block so I eat less, meaning by taking lower calories. Oh. Yeah, because that's what the anything surgery related.
That's nice.
That's why it's quick.
Oh, that's nice.
Excited.
You do it? I am all done now.
I'm not going to remove this.
I'm just waiting.
I'm just going to cover it.
Hi. Which one were you getting done? Below this one. Me too.
You should put into it.
Pardon?
Keep the inside weight. No, second time around. So.
Inserting or removing?
Pardon?
Were you inserting or
Yeah,
removing?
inserting.
Oh, second time you're doing it.
Yeah.
And how was it? For
My
you to do the same
My
time.
experience this time is much better. I did it with another doctor last year. So I had it in came down from 235 to today's 129. So I just push the boundary a little bit more.
And this one also you took the 12 months as well?
The bone?
You also took 12 months?
Yeah.
It's my first time.
It's not an easy job.
It's not.
But it's hard.
What's the hardest part?
Adjusting. That first few weeks when you think you can go back to eating as normal.
Because I saw on my program, in the first 10 days, it's the fluid. The first three days, it's liquid diet, clear. And then 10 days after, the liquid fluid.
It's hard, but stick to it.
Like the fluids, the smoothies, the soups. At least they have lots of options. Because I went online on Woolies and Checkers just to check the soups that are that don't have chunks.
But even if they do have chunks, still get it and then you take your blender.
And then blend it so that everything is.
Because you get tired of just having butternut and just having tomato soup and just having, so you get tired of it. So for variety, I bought the others as well. It's got the chunks in.
Strain, get the chunks and
No, I want it.
the whole.
Put it in as is. Put it in the blender and let it make it fine.
So I think I'm gonna add, because on Checker 60 they have a few varieties. They have the chicken one, they have the biltong, the peas and pork, the beef. It could be seven or eight
So that you
different
don't
ones.
get bored.
Yeah.
Because the whole thing is hard. So at least if you have a variety, it makes it easier. And don't eat a set meal.
It's changed.
I called it, I eat in installments.
It's smaller. So because of this, it means every meal that I take, I can only take this much, and then hence try to eat a bit more times, but small. And stay hydrated.
The minute you
I heard if you overindulge, you throw up.
ask me. Ask
You know
me.
firsthand.
I know firsthand.
I'm still shocked because I went in there and they're like, oh, I'm gonna start just now. And then they put this thing and I'm sitting there, I'm like lying. I guess I didn't realize the time I slept. And then I opened my eyes waiting to say,
Good, how are you?
Very great tonight.
Listen, I've got you some stuff here. So this is just an instruction sheet on, it's basically instructions and just guidelines and telling you what you're going to be experiencing over the next couple of days since your procedure. And then this is a top up script. So remember you got that pre-medication. This is just for you to top up when you run out of that medication, just so that at least you've already got it with you. And then this is just a little travel card. So I always suggest to patients just to also take a picture
No, I'm still fine.
You're good. Okay.
I don't want to.
Trigger anything. Oh, Nani, are you okay as well?
No, I definitely need. I'm still feeling dehydrated.
And so it is a hard journey, but it's very worth it. For me personally, if I say I was 235 kilos, I couldn't walk from reception to here. And breathing.
Yes. Stairs.
Sleeping was an issue. Stairs was no go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You say something. Oh, okay.
Hi guys, I am done. I'm nibbling on ice because I was dehydrated. I have a drip as well. The procedure is done. I woke up and I was just like, when are we starting? They're like, no, we finished already. Like, how? When did it happen? I think after I got sedated, I passed out. And then, yeah. It's done. I'm just sitting here waiting for the drip to finish. And then go home. I'm with my sister, which is a good thing because I feel tipsy. That's the only way to describe it. I feel tipsy, but I think the drip is done. I just need them to take this out and then I can go home. Don't drive because you'll be cuckoo. But yeah, I'm happy I did this. I'm gonna come back tomorrow again for a drip, hydration drip. But yeah, right now I feel not dizzy, drowsy, like a drunk feeling, sort of. But yeah, thanks you guys for tuning in. I don't even know if I'm making sense. I hope I'm making sense. I might have to edit this part of the video because a part of me is telling me that I'm probably mumbling. But anyways, I'm not feeling anything, by the way. Like I thought I was gonna have a sensation of there's something inside your body, but I don't feel anything at all. But we'll see later.
Welcome.
Hello. Today you're not gonna hear the one you used to. It's me narrating today.
Okay. Hi everyone. Today I'm the little sis who's narrating everything. The doc is weak. The doc is weak, guys. But we have finally arrived. This is day 2 of the vlog. We did it. Did it. So yep, I'm gonna tell you how it goes. Today is just a booster, right? Today's just a booster to get some energy so that we can laugh again. Yep, but yeah, we're here. We are next to the gym, but we're not coming to the gym, eh? Which doctor? Yeah?
Waterfall Weight Loss Clinic.
Okay.
Good luck with today. Serious? Extra.
Do the thing.
Yep. Pose, Nyana. Precious. That's easy. Peace is still alive. Oh, Olamzana, my ato do you want to tell?
But I'm back. I'm supposed to have 11, but we have crazy traffic. It's raining. Now it's hot. It's hot.
Okay.
Guys, I'm in here. They said I must sit here for the drip. Nice wallpaper. Day yourself and go for yourself. This is my sister, guys. This is the one who's been driving me, hosting me, and taking care of me. Why did you pass this? I took what yeah, so I'm going to eat tea and to say that I'm thinking.
Eat tea for the mind.
You're doing it for both of us. That those lessons will ask kukuru. Is it too much? So yeah, I am back for the drip. I'm exhausted. I'm drained. I'm dehydrated. So apparently this should help bring me back to life. And yeah, we'll take it from there. Cheers. I'm having some ice because I'm dehydrated. The ice and some water.
Yeah, it should be easier for you to take the liquids to this one. Yes. Okay, so as I said, these are just liquids. So we're gonna hydrate you first, give you some liquids first, and then I'm gonna give you some medication. So I just want to
It's there where it's painful.
yeah, it's because it's clogged.
Oh.
So I'm gonna move that clot in. So it's gonna pinch a bit. Pinch you a bit. Now I'm not sparing you needle. I'm just gonna move it with liquid.
Thank you.
Welcome.
And then I was out of it yesterday. I had to go boost the weight.
God. He was there. He was wearing the scarf. He's the guy who pushed you, Vel.
Really?
Yep.
I took over now. I didn't see anyone.
He's the guy who pushed you.
Zamu's on the at the Bangai Road.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I was out of it.
Yep.
I didn't even notice who's doing it.
Maroba, I mean, the doctor also. Is he a doctor?
Woo! And just like that, we are done. Me, I can't drive, guys. I'm still drunk from the drugs. But I'm with my lovely sister here. If you see her on social media, She's been my host, she's been taking care of me, and now she's driving me back to her house. Oh no, we're going to see mom first, and then after we see mom, then we go back, and later then she'll take me to the airport. So if you see this one, guys, don't play with her. I'll kill. Oh, I can't say that. I'll analyze you guys. I'm kidding. Bye. Guys, this is my mommy. Hey, Royal right, and then from there on, just eating small. Oh, Johannesburg is abukuma. Madi, doctor, no tuku. Nindo fana ndo fura zvinenge ngotodo tanda. But ice helps for hydration. Mana namsindu queen kamroas week till the day before you don't eat anything na duba lazo.
Okay.
Na madi zao, because they said the stomach has to be.
I think you lose weight not because you just don't eat. To lose weight just because they don't eat.
With mommy. Argo nambara badira getting kan. Bye, mommy. I'm Ferrari.
Boy.
They need to chinchada.
It's my other.
Nice to see you as always.
All my kids.
Mayo, above Balanga Konazin. You're out. Travel safely, mommy dearest. Bateri budzala chisika yani. Nane ndishibota kuachote. I will. Yeah. Oh yeah, ngori abangakoni. Bye.
The babe, come let me have you on camera.
Bye. Say bye to auntie. I am now at Tambo and boarding the flight. Now I'm gonna be back in Kinshasa, back in Durban. Then I can rest and start recovery. Yeah.
Thank you for choosing FlySafair today and for allowing us to share our love of flying with you. Before we take off, we ask for a few moments of your attention to review some important safety matters. Regulations require that you observe.
I just landed at Kinshasa. Glad to be home safe. Just glad to be home safe. And I just want to go rest now.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is there